OpenCode is one of the better open-source coding agents out right now. It runs in your terminal, it works with pretty much any model you want, and it doesn't lock you into a single company. So instead of paying a fixed monthly fee for one provider, you bring your own API key from Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, or even run a local model through Llama, and OpenCode just connects to it. The whole thing is MIT licensed and built by the SST team, and it crossed something like 165,000 stars on GitHub, with millions of developers touching it every month. That kind of number doesn't happen by accident. The catch with OpenCode, if you want to call it that, is that it lives in the command line. You type OpenCode in your project folder and you get a terminal interface where you can plan features, write code, refactor messy files, undo mistakes, and let the agent run shell commands for you. For people who already live in the terminal, that feels natural. But for a lot of folks, working through a text-based interface all day is the thing that holds them back. And that is exactly the gap I want to talk about today. Because there is a way to take OpenCode out of the terminal completely and run everything through a real interface instead. Before I show you that, Anthropic released a tool called Claude Cowork earlier this year, and it changed how people thought about AI on the desktop. The idea behind Cowork was simple. Instead of Claude just chatting with you and telling you how to do something, it could actually read, edit, create, and organize files directly on your machine. You point it at a folder, you give it a task, and it does the work and hands you back a finished spreadsheet or a document or a cleaned-up set of files. It runs scheduled tasks. It can control your Mac by clicking and typing like a real user. And you can even send it jobs from your phone through a feature they call Dispatch. The problem with Cowork was never the capability. It was the cost and the restrictions. When it first launched, it was macOS only, and you basically needed a Claude Max plan to use it seriously, which runs $100 to $200 a month. Agentic tasks burn through tokens at a much higher rate than normal chat, and people on the $200 plan were reporting that a single prompt ate 10% of their entire monthly quota. On top of that, you were locked into Claude. No swapping in a cheaper model, no local option, no choice. It is a great product, but it is a walled garden, and a fairly expensive one. Aion UI is a free, open-source desktop app that does what Cowork does, except it works on Mac, Windows, and Linux, and it isn't tied to any single model or any single agent. It has more than 26,000 stars on GitHub, and it is built under the Apache license. And the part that matters most for this video, it auto-detects the coding agents you already have installed and gives all of them a proper interface to work in. So OpenClaw, Hermes Agent, Claude Code, Codex, Gemini CLI, and OpenCode all show up inside one window. We are going to focus only on OpenCode here, but keep in mind it supports more than 20 of these tools. What you are essentially doing is replacing the entire OpenCode command line with a full interface where you can run every task visually. The agent is still OpenCode underneath. The brains, the file editing, the shell commands, all of that is still the OpenCode engine you would normally type into the terminal. Aion UI just wraps a clean, controllable layer around it so you can see the files it touches, preview the results, manage permissions, and watch every step happen in real time. For anyone who wanted Cowork but didn't want to hand over $100 a month or be stuck on one model, this is about as close as it gets. I'm on a MacBook for this, and the install is straightforward. You go to the Aion UI GitHub releases page, scroll down to the assets, and grab the file that matches your system. On Mac, you can also just install it through Homebrew with one command if you prefer. Make sure you read which file you are downloading so you don't grab a Windows build for a Mac. The system requirements are light. You need macOS 10.5 or higher, about 4 gigabytes of memory, and roughly 500 megabytes of free space. Once it's installed, you open it, and you land on a clean home screen that asks what your plan is for the day. At the top, you'll see a row of agent icons. This is where Aion UI shows everything it found on your machine. Since I have OpenCode installed, I select it as the agent powering the workspace. If you don't have it yet, you install it first through the OpenCode site or its install script, and then Aion UI picks it up automatically the next time you open the app. You can also connect agents that are hosted on another server through a URL, add your own model providers, and set API keys directly in the model page. So if you want OpenCode running on Claude Opus for the heavy work and a cheaper model for simple stuff, you can switch between them right there. There's also an assistance section, and this is genuinely useful. These are task-specific setups that combine an agent with custom rules and skills. Aion UI, with around 20 of them already built. Things like a PPT creator, a Word creator, an Excel creator, an academic paper writer, a dashboard builder, and a few more specialized ones. You can enable the ones you want, build your own, or add skills and MCP tools to extend what the agent can do. Skills come in 3 layers: the built-in ones that ship with the app, custom ones you write yourself, and extension ones contributed by third parties. Each assistant is just a markdown file under the hood, so editing them is simple. So I'll ask it to build a 2-sheet expense tracker, 1 sheet for monthly spending broken down by category, and a second sheet that totals everything up with a simple bar chart showing where the money actually goes. I'd recommend running this inside a specific folder so the output stays organized, and you can set the permission mode here too. There's a full auto mode, sometimes called YOLO, where the agent just runs everything on its own, and an auto edit mode where you review each change before it happens. I send the request, and OpenCode goes to work, reads what I asked for, fills in the categories, adds the totals, drops in the chart, and gives me a clean spreadsheet I can preview without ever leaving the window. While that runs, I can spin up a second task at the same time, and this is where the multi-agent side comes in. I'll have another OpenCode session rename a single file sitting on my desktop. I've got a screen recording saved with some random name my system gave it, something like screen recording followed by a long string of numbers, and I want it changed to something I'll actually recognize later. So I tell it to rename that one file on the desktop to OpenCode Demo Final. It finds the file, renames it, and that's it. Done in a couple seconds while the expense tracker is still being built in the other session. 2 agents, 2 jobs, running in parallel, both visible to me the entire time. The preview panel is one of those features you don't appreciate until you use it. After the agent generates a file, whether it's a spreadsheet, a Word doc, a PDF, code, or Markdown, it shows up right there in a tab so you can check it instantly. It tracks file changes live, lets you edit some formats directly, and even keeps version history through Git so you can roll back if something goes wrong. You're not digging through folders to find what the agent made, it just appears. The other thing worth mentioning is remote access and scheduling, because this is where it starts feeling like the Cowork pitch. You can connect Aion UI to a web interface and control it from your phone through Telegram or a few other chat platforms. And you can set scheduled tasks with plain language, a daily report at 9 a.m., a weekly data pull, a monthly file cleanup, running on a cron schedule without you sitting there. The app even keeps your system from sleeping while a task is active. So when you put it all together, you've taken OpenCode, a free terminal agent that runs on any model you want, and you've given it a full desktop interface with file previews, scheduled jobs, phone control, and parallel sessions. You're paying nothing for the software itself, you only pay for whatever model tokens you actually use, and you can drop in a cheap open model, or a local one, and your real cost goes to almost zero. For someone who looked at Claude Cowork and liked the idea but not the price tag or the lock-in, this is the version that gives you the same kind of power without any of those walls. I'll leave the links to Aion UI and OpenCode below so you can set this up yourself. Alright, so that's it from the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.